This is what your Shopify email should look like to your subscribers when you want to share a new blog with them. The first thing I like to do is open a blank canvas and start building my email template. When I build my email template, I go ahead and I create all the spaces where I want text to be, images, and buttons. And I like to go ahead and just start off with adding in my socials, my signature, and my PS statement. I do this because I always want my readers to remember who it's from, what they recognize me as on social media, if they recognize me by the name of my company because they found me on Google, and what my position is within my company. This makes it impossible for them to associate the email content that I am sending them with any other brand that they have subscribed to. Next, you want to make sure that you adjust all your font sizes. I like to send all of my emails in a 12-point font just to make them as mobile friendly and easy to read as possible. So just make sure that you do that. Then I like to use a hollow button instead. I don't know, I get a higher click-through rate when I use it, but you should experiment. And now I'm going to go back and add my PS statement. Your postscript statement is the last thing you want people to read, and it typically has another very friendly call to action that humanizes your brand. I like to always keep my TikTok account interconnected with mine. Then I'm going to decide what blog article I actually want to promote. So go ahead and go check out my blog, but I'm going to promote the ultimate guide to Twitter marketing. And now I'm going to copy and paste that into the button so I can just go ahead and make sure that the button within my email works. Doing it in this order ensures that all the buttons and links inside of your email work and you don't have to go back at the end and double check again. Then I'm going to go to Canva and download the graphic that I actually made for that blog, and I'm going to use it in the email. You don't always need graphics in your emails. Most of my emails don't include graphics, but if I'm shouting out a blog and highlighting that specifically, it will have the graphic. Next, I'm going to start typing up the intro to the email. To make it personable, I like to share my company moniker. And then I'll go into sharing a crazy fact that I think that they should know. And then I'll highlight why I think this is important and what I've done to actually help them get this information. After the image, I'm going to highlight some benefits of actually reading the article. And then I'm going to give them another call to action with a sense of urgency. And just these few copywriting tricks as far as announcing blog articles go a long way in keeping people engaged and informed about what's going on your blog. Now you're ready to type up and test your email subject lines. So I want you to open OmniSend email subject line tester and start typing in different ideas that you have for your email subject line. I like to either ask questions or get right into the value. The first email subject line that I typed in got rated at a 73%. It told me I didn't have any helpful words, which is what this graphic is. So I'm reviewing the graphic and I'm going to go back and add some of these helpful keywords to my email subject line. I've also added in an emoji, which is helpful as well to keep people engaged. And then I'm going to go back and look at all the other details that it listed, like how I have some letters capitalized when they should not be capitalized, how there may be too many words, and I need to work on my character count. Once I get it at perfect, then I'm going to go back and copy and paste that in and write up my preview text. My preview text highlights the benefit of clicking that email. Then I'm going to preview it. This is what it looks like on desktop. And then this is what my email also looks like on mobile. I like the way that it looks, so I'm going to send myself a test email. And this is what it looks like inside of my mail app from Gmail. It's simple, easy, straight to the point, and engaging. And it gives them a real reason to click. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, go check out the Master Email Marketing Bundle in my bio. Ask me how to download it.